So today I want to show you this rechargeable table lamp that I got, which is so appropriate for a small place or even a big place, depending on the look you want to go for. The color I got is in gold, but you do have it in black, gray, white, and gold. It has a nice finishing to it. You can see the coloring is really gold and it's very smooth, well done, well constructed. You can see at the top of it, that's where you have the on button, so it's very portable and you can move it anywhere. You don't have to have cords around it. It is rechargeable, so it comes with a cord to use to charge it, and you charge it inside here. So there's a section here that you just put the plug in and you can charge it like that. One thing that I love about this is that at the top of it, once you touch the top, you can see how it turns on. The light turns on at the bottom, and this is a stepless dimmer. So there's no touch dimming function. Long press the top light will brighten or dim. So when the room is dark, you can see how it looks like. It brightens up the place and it gives a very nice ambience lighting, and it's so nice. You can use it in the bedroom, you can use it at the table, you can use it in an outdoor garden because you don't have that cord, and so it's really nice. So if we turn it off, just tap the top to turn it off. So very easy to use, very portable. I love it. I love how cute it looks in this display.